that first we would start with the simple, but if you look, the wire, the black line is going to show you what wire you're going to work towards. There's a black line saying if I'm working on the units, it's only going to the unit. If I'm going to have a multiplier by tens, I'm going to start on the next wire. I'm going to do a simple one and then, thank you. So I have to turn it because I can't write it, and then I'll turn it over and show you. So let's say I'm just going to start there. Hello. And I want to do 4,365. So today I'm going to take 4,365. Get it closer to you. Can you see it? You can come up and see it. And I'm going to multiply that number, 4,365, by 3, right? So now the child already knows, and this is where you're going to begin to check. Remember before in the education meeting we were talking about the 3-period lesson. So think of all of this that's going on as like a first period. And now we're getting, in the second period, we're like, here we are. We've played and played and played. But now you're older, and you should know, okay, 5 times 3. Yes, that's going to be 15. Now let's see, that's 110 and 5 units. So you can see that this is much more abstract, right? So now I've done 5 times 3, that's 15, right? So now I'm here, I'm going to do 6 tens times 3. It's on the tens wire, so the abstraction is holding it, but it's also in the child's mind at that point. Okay, so that's 18, but it's 10, so that's 18, so that would be 108, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So again, you're getting category holding. So now I would have 3 times 300. Okay, this is 300. Okay, that's good. That we know 900. So now we have this in our mind. We have to have some facts to be able to do this work. This is often a place where they really want to do this, where I'll start with low numbers and encourage them to say, if you want to do this, you know, you have to be able to hold these multiplications in your mind. And then, or you can also pair children. You can say, okay, so-and-so knows this pretty well. I'm going to pair you with Karen, and she'll help you, so you can manipulate the frame. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hundreds. Now I have to make an exchange. And now I'm going to do 4,000 times 3, 12. So, whoop, 10,000 and 2. And there's my product on the bottom of the frame. And you can see how this can get very complicated. So now what happens when they want to do the next there's my product right there. The child would record that in the booklet and be like, okay, good, I've done it. So 13,905, right? So then when they move on to do bigger numbers, the 0 actually appears on the piece of paper, and they slide this down, and they can start, if they're going to do tens, right? So they would start on the tens wire, and it leads you over there. I'm going to start there, right? And it takes you to that one, and the 0, we're going to leave the 0 there. So it's putting it in your product for you. And there are a series of little lessons that they've been introduced to with the red 0 on the bead frame prior to that, which gives them that introduction to how the 0 is going to work. The checkerboard as well, yeah. So we tried to cover just an introduction to multiplication and then leave some time for questions. So let's see, what's Emma working on? Let's go way back.